So hi friends, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. So here I would like to provide you the complete information about JAC Chandigarh counseling, that is a step-by-step process. I have already discussed, schedule also discussed in my previous video. Here I would like to provide you the all college expected cutoff rank for this year, that is 2022. So here I will provide you the complete cutoff for all category, all branch safe rank, that is up to last round, what you can expect. So here is the information, that is for first I will talk about Dr. S.S. Bhatnagar College. So for chemical branch, as you all know, there is only three branch: chemical, food technology and chemical with MBA, that is integrated course. So for chemical 1.1 lakh, that is for general, and for BC category 1.2 lakh, SC 3 lakh, ST 5.5 lakh. There is no reservation for EW. So here one more thing I would like to inform you, there is only one college in JAC Chandigarh where the home state cutoff is available, that is home state reservation is available, but in other college there is no reservation. So you will able to get the maximum benefit even if you are from other state also. So please try to do this counseling, because here you will able to get the college up to very high rank also. So now if you talk about for food technology, you will able to get up to 2.2 lakh for general, BC 4 lakh, SC 7 lakh, ST 8 lakh, and for chemical with MBA 3 lakh for general, and for BC it is 5.8 lakh, and for SC 6 lakh, and ST again 6 lakh. And here you can see the detail of the counseling that I will cover, that is almost every counseling across India, that is JOSA, CSAP, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSTCT, UPTU, BITS counseling, OJE, WBJE, COMEDK, KSET, VIT EEE, Manipal, SRM, Amrita, GoodSet, and other counseling as well, that is centralized, decentralized, state level counseling, all type of counseling I will cover. So here what I will focus mostly is college selection, college comparison with choice filling, that is personalized choice filling, after discussing with you. Branch selection is also important. Most important feature is that 24/7, that is all the time you can ask your question. After 10 a.m. you can contact me any number of time for any type of doubt or discussion. So first you need to contact me, then do the registration. So nominal charge will be applicable, as I will be providing you the personal time, so it will take lots of lag. Now if you talk about for Chandigarh College of Engineering and Technology, that is CCET, here the home state cutoff is available. So here I will try to provide you, that is home state reservation is also there. If you talk about for civil engineering, general 8 lakh and 1.6 lakh, that is for home state and other state, and for EW 2 lakh, that is for other state, for SC 2.6 lakh, and there is no reservation for BC and ST category. So for CSC 90 and 65,000 for general, EW 1.7 lakh and 70,000, SC 3 lakh and 1.3 lakh, and for EC 1.6 lakh and 84,000, that is for general, and for EW 2.6 lakh and 82,000, and for SC 4.4 and 2.6 lakh. Now if you talk about for mechanical 7 lakh and 1.4 lakh, that is for home state, other state, general category EW 7.2 and 1.7 lakh, for SC 7 lakh and 2.8 lakh. Now if you talk about for University Institute of Engineering and Technology, that is PUSSG, so here is the information for CSE general 1 lakh, BC 1.1 lakh, SC 2.5 lakh, ST 6 lakh, and for EC 1.9 lakh, 2 lakh, 3.8 lakh, and 7.5 lakh, that is general, EW, BC, SC, ST respectively. Now if you talk about for IT 1.4 lakh for general, for BC 1.6 lakh, SC 2.8 lakh, ST 7.2 lakh. And now if you talk about for mechanical branch, 4 lakh for general, BC 5.5 lakh, SC 8.5 lakh. Now if you talk about the last college that I am considering here, that is only 4 colleges available with BTech course. There is another college that is only available with B Architecture. So here is the last college, that is University Institute of Engineering and Technology, that is main campus. So here is the information. That is for biotechnology. Here is the information. So first of all, bio-related branch cutoff is 3.3 lakh for general, and for BC 4.5 lakh, SC 6.5 lakh, and for CSE, now if you talk about for general 42,000, BC 48, SC 1.8 lakh, ST 2.9 lakh. If you talk about for EEE 95,000, 1 lakh, 2.7 lakh, 5.8 lakh, that is for general, BC, SC, ST respectively. Now if you talk about for EC 70,000, 76,000, 2.5 lakh, and ST it is 4.6 lakh, that is general, BC, SC, ST respectively. Now if you talk about for IT 60,000, 65, 2.2 lakh, and 4 lakh for all the category respectively. Now if you talk about for mechanical 1.25 lakh, and that is for general, for BC 1.5 lakh, SC 3 lakh, and ST 6.5 lakh. So this was all about the all 4 colleges that is available in JAC Chandigarh counseling. I have considered all type of cutoff, that is all category wise, all branch wise, and home state, other state cutoff also wherever it is applicable. So hope you find this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe this channel, so you will be getting all the updated information not only about JAC Chandigarh but for other counseling, other entrance exam also in the same channel at the right time. So thanks again for watching this video. So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number. And after that, take the photo of your question and upload that in the app. And after that, within 60 seconds, you will be connected to the India's best educator.
आपके क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है। अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट। इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220। तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए।
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount. Thanks.